Do you know how Ankur Warikoo's landing page is making more than $2.5 million annually? Let's go to my screen and check it out. Let's go with Ankur's first course page. This is the first course which launched, which is Take Charge of Your Time. Let's see. At the first hero section, there is a very big hook over there, along with the enroll now as good CTA. Along with that, a very detailed video about the course, like what you can get. Then there is about the course information, which really educates the viewer, educates student what they can actually get from the course. And if we see on the right side, there is multiple features you are going to get with the course, which really builds up the hype for the course. Then there is again a good CTA, which this particular landing page maintaining good. I have seen there is around 7 to 8 CTAs in just a single landing page, which is very good for the starters. If we go down here, there's multiple price plans which targets multiple levels of students who can't afford much. They can purchase the basic plan or the standard plan, but those people who want to take charge of that but have some good amount of money, they can go with the premium one. So he's targeting a huge base of audience with these price plans. If we go down, there's a brief description about who Ankur Warikoo is, what he has achieved. Along with that, his photo which shows everything about him. Next, there is again a CTA button. Then there is a good testimonial section. It is very important for a landing page to have a testimonial so that you can build a trust among your students, to the visitors who are landing, that you are a legit person. The things which you're providing is legit. If we scroll down a bit more, there's again a CTA, which is literally very good. You will be annoyed, but yeah, CTA is very important to add on each and every section. If we go scroll down a bit more, there's again this section where he has given all the add-ons, all the specialties which students will going to get along with the course, and a certificate which builds up the hype that it is a complete legit course, which you can show in somewhere and another to get an validity in a form of certificate. Then there is again price plans if for the people who have not followed it in the top, but again a good CTA. Then if we scroll down, there is a most important section of each and every landing page, that is FAQ, where he answered all the most asked questions by his students, so that he don't has to answer each and every question but covers everything in just a single landing page. This is the first landing page, which is literally dope. It has everything and I'm just loving this. If you move towards his another landing page, which is how to YouTube, his again another course which has a hero section at top, but there is a very big YouTube video out here along with a small description about the course and some additional benefits which you will going to get with the course, which is different from the another landing page, but this is the exact requirement for this landing page because this course is some kind of premium than his other courses, which needs additional informations about the course, which is a very detailed stuff out here. Then becomes is what in this course, which is a detailed syllabus of the course covered by Ankur and his team in the course, which has the headings and the description so that multiple people can understand according to their paces. Then comes the course curriculum, which has included all the curriculums, which has all the headings, all the modules which has in this course, which there is around 9 modules which he has mentioned, which is very great to educate people what they will actually get out of the course. Again a good quality CTA. Then comes what exactly courses will going to offer for you. Here Ankur and his team explained what this course will going to help you with. There are multiples of the points, you can stop the video and read it, but it is a very beneficial stuff, which is really great. If you're building a landing page, you can take inspiration from this. Another, there is a success story section which is not loading, I guess. Then there is a detailed video of the course here, like what this course has to offer, like what are the past experience from the student they have graduated from this course. Then again, how will this course help you. Last but not the least, about section, meet the instructor and meet the team, because this is a group kind of course where there are lots of instructors, which is very good here. Then there's a price plan. I've already told you like how could having multiple price plans help you in this particular video, so again this is good. There's again price description, like what is the distribution of prices. Last but not the least, FAQ section is out there, and sign up for the news and updates, which is a newsletter promoting by his team here. I hope you understood the importance of this particular landing pages and how these landing pages are perfectly crafted based on the courses. So I hope you liked it about this. I hope this information was helpful for you. If you want such kind of information, you can subscribe to my channel, and if you want to build any kind of landing pages or website for your business or for you, you can DM me on my Instagram or can write me a mail. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.